Introduction. Modifying web resources in D365 CRM is a cumbersome process. If we directly edit the scripts in CRM, then IntelliSense and formatting options aren't available and syntax errors aren't detected. So normally we download and open these web resources in code editors like VS Code and then upload it back into CRM. The solution for above problem is to have an editor like VS Code in the CRM itself. This is achievable by using the Monaco editor, which is what powers VS Code and is open sourced by Microsoft. Installation. Download and import the managed solution Webresource Editor _managed.zip from the releases section of this project. Usage. Navigate to Solutions under Settings and click on the Webresource Editor button. Enter any web resource name you want to edit. Press Ctrl+S to save, Ctrl+P to publish, or Ctrl+Shift+P to save and publish. Press Ctrl+O to open the web resource in New tab. Almost all other keyboard shortcuts of VS Code Editor will work as well.